I locked myself in a room and I didn't come out for 6 hours. I work round the clock and I'm not complaining. I get very well paid for it. थोड़ा सा एक पर्सनल सी कॉन्वर्सेशन अल्लाह मियाँ के साथ चल रही थी उस वक्त. I remember when I lost the match in Kolkata to Punjab. I locked myself in a room and I didn't come out for 6 hours. I didn't want to meet anyone. But you can't. I don't think that's sportsmanlike at all. I think what is sportsmanlike is what Preeti does, what Gayatri does, and the other team owners do. So me being there is, I'm fortunate this year that I went there and I didn't have to lock myself too many times in a room. I see a television anchor, like an overgrown schoolboy, wanting to be a stupid cowboy, and thinking he's sitting on a horse when he's sitting on a stupid titanium chair, and thinking he's Buck Rogers, and he's telling everybody, this is not right, that is not right. Come on, give yourself, take your tie off and be happy for a minute. Stop your, he makes me feel that he's like a, brittle self-importance held up by a tie. Take it off, be happy, don't find cynicism in everything. Because we as Indians, yes, maybe we are still not the most developed country. And yes, we are going to have issues. And yes, we are not the most well-off individual country in the world. But I think we have reasons to smile whenever we get. And I'll tell you honestly, I believe this, that Eid is a reason to smile. Whether we can afford it, or is it private, or is it public. I have a party on Ganesh, when they go to immerse Ganeshji. I mean, I don't know how much of us follow that, but we do it at our home. It's a reason to party. You have Muslims who will do both the functions with the same amount of gusto, and you have Hindus who do it with the same amount of gustos. I have a very stressful job. I've been working for 20 years. I work round the clock, and I'm not complaining. I get very well paid for it. And I keep on doing things, and things go wrong. I listen to, sometimes critics don't like the film tanks, you lose money, you come back, you try your best. But at the end of it all, I see a chammak challo of my film becoming a hit. I celebrate that. So those little things in life, if you get a chance, please do not let it get, swallowed up by cynicism.
अभी आईपीएल से आप फ्री हो गए, अभी सत्यमेव जयते आमिर खान पूरे देश में छाए हुए, अभी आप कुछ टीवी पर करना चाहेंगे ऐसा?
इतने सारे एनालिस्ट आए थे मेरे बिहेवियर के ऊपर, उसमें से बहुत सारे जो थे बहुत ही बोरिंग थे. तो मैं टीवी ऑडियंस से इस बात की हाथ जोड़ के माफ़ी मांगता हूं कि मेरी वजह से आप लोगों को आधा घंटा, 2 घंटा, कई प्रोग्राम 3 घंटा उन एनालिस्ट का क्या कहते हैं उसको, तुम चोखटा देखना पड़ा. हम दिल्ली में भूती बोलते हैं पंजाबी में. आपको उनका चेहरा देखना पड़ा, उनके इनेन और स्टूपिड कमेंट सुनने पड़े, और उनका गंदा मेकअप देखना पड़ा. तो मैं उसके लिए बहुत, क्योंकि मैं यार फिल्म वाला हूँ, मैं चाहता हूँ कि जो चीज़ इंसानों को दिखाऊँ वो अच्छी और खुशी वाली हो. तो आई एम रियली सॉरी फॉर दैट. मुझको सचमुच आखिरी जो 6 बॉल है मुझे बिल्कुल याद नहीं, सचमुच याद नहीं. और वो इसलिए नहीं कि मैं कोई इनएब्रिएटेड स्टेट में था या मैं कुछ देख नहीं रहा था. मुझे कुछ याद ही नहीं. और मुझे सिर्फ याद है एक बार सुहाना ने घूम के मुझे बोला हम जीत जाएंगे, एंड आई जस्ट हग्ड हर, दैट्स ऑल. बट आई वाज इन अ स्टेट वेयर आई डोंट नो, मैंने पहले ही बोला, मैं अल्लाह मियाँ, भगवान, खुदा, गॉड, उनके फरिश्तों से सिर्फ दुआ मांग रहा था. एंड मेरे एक्चुअली हाथ में दर्द हो गया, वो मैंने रेलिंग पकड़ के मैं इतनी तेज़ दुआ मांग रहा था कि यार बहुत हो गया, अभी थोड़ा ठीक ठाक कर देना यार. तो ऐसा थोड़ा सा एक पर्सनल सी कॉन्वर्सेशन अल्लाह मियाँ के साथ चल रही थी उस वक्त. एंड बिकॉज क्रिकेट पे हम कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते. एंड वो एक बॉल होती है, जब हम चेन्नई से लास्ट टाइम खेल रहे थे 6 रन पड़ गए लास्ट बॉल पे, एंड यू कैन कंट्रोल इट. So all you can do is, as the owners, just pray and hope for the best. And because my daughter was there, she always believes whenever she has come for a match we won. I didn't want that part to be changed. I wanted to believe that जब भी वो मैच पे आई हम मैच जीते. वो एक बाप का अपना प्यार होता है. As a father, it was very important for me that children trust you. You tell them रात को जल्दी सोते हैं and सुबह जल्दी उठते हैं. Why should they believe you if they find that other things that you say don't turn out true? So whenever they've asked me, I've said if you work hard, you will be able to win. But for 4 years, to hold on to something which has not transformed into what their father is saying, I feel very happy that today I can turn around to my children and say, you know what, I wasn't wrong about telling you that if you work hard, if you're honest, and if you happily do something, it'll turn out well. So there was a lot of expression, and yeah, I was, I mean, I don't know how many actors or public figures say this. I was really angry. If I was more angry, I would have done more hand cartwheels. I saw some somebody say that I was showing my shoe somewhere.
Yeah.
And it was so unfortunate. I saw this young boy who was dressed up like me in torn jeans and a white t-shirt. And he turned around and started telling me, Shahrukh bhai, आपने फटी jeans क्यों नहीं पहनी? आप फटी jeans पहनते हो तो जीतते हो. So I showed him that day I wasn't wearing torn jeans. So I said, नीचे से फटी हुई है, come and tear it more for me. And I saw somebody saying I'm showing a shoe to someone. And it is, I'm an employee of my audience, whether on cricket field or off cricket field. I will never be rude to them. So it's very unfortunate how people analyze things. And I'm happy that we could say at the end of it all, whether it's a cartwheel, whether it's the ability to fly, whether it's screaming and shouting, it's an expression of happiness and victory. So the whole family is very happy.